Hey guys, okay, so this is the important part of the website. Let's go to sidebar at first, okay? What is the sidebar here? And then we should know that we have put the sidebar in the hero section, right? Over here. Why did we put it over there? Because, if we put it inside the hero section, it would look like one division, right? There would be no separation of nav and div. So that way it looks nice, right? So we have put it in a single component, hero, the sidebar. And so sidebar, what is sidebar? And then also, okay, we put sidebar in hero component and in hero component in here, hero component in uh, the root app.js, right? Router global style. I told you in the first video, hero products feature, and we'll see about these features. Okay, so let's go to sidebar. Sidebar. Let's go to index. Whatever the elements over here, we'll find it in index sidebar element.js, right? So look, for the toggle is open, right? So when it is open over here, look, mm, okay, this no, this and this, yeah, this and this. So if it is open, right, open it, if it is open it, otherwise display it out of the text means do not display it, right? So we said is open and we use arrow function. This is an arrow function. It says ES6. This is somehow more advanced JavaScript. So we have everything over here, right? Whatever you see in sidebar. So sidebar is basically like this. This is the crossbar I'm talking about here. This is the icon, the close icon. This icon is this, and you can see food reserve, seat, and full menu over here. And then the sidebar, and then sidebar button wrap sidebar, and these slash 2. So slash 2 equals a slash is a endpoint, right? It is a URL. So who take cares of this? Just to let you know, we put sidebar in hero and hero in app.js, right? So a router takes care of those links. If you click on that link, router knows where to take you, right? Where to send it, where to redirect it. Now after this, now sidebar, you guys know, right? It's the same thing like hero and navbar. And let's talk about products now. Product, what do you have here? If we have the same architecture, right? We have product container, you see product container, and then product wrapper. Before product wrapper we have product heading, and we have used a map to go through all the products, right? And this all can be found here. Its CSS can be found here, but since these products are these, right, this is the first product. So what I mean by first product, look, in the product component folder we have data.js where we put all the data. So you see product one image, whatever you see in here, this image, this image, we import it from, so that dot dot slash means inside a component folder, inside a product folder, there is sorry, inside a source, inside a image, there is a product1.jpg image. So this is here. You see images, these are the images in the folder. So we have description, heading, right? This is the heading. Heading comes do not come from here. Heading come from, I'll show you where heading come from. but other everything come from here, right? The prices and add to cart, everything comes from here. But we give css to these buttons, description, price, over here in the product element.js, right? So that's the case. We take everything from here, and you can edit it here. If you want to put another picture, you can just erase this and then put it, right? So I think that is it. You just need to play around. And the sidebar you already know, images you already know. In products, okay, so I was talking about this product as a product one, leave this middle section, and this as product two, right? So why did I say that? The product data, constant product data, has product one, product two, and product three. Product data two has suite, right? Product this, and this. So that we can see here. In the product one, we have some pizzas and hard food, and in product two, we have some dessert or drinks or anything other thing, right? So this is the food of the day, right? You can edit it, and this is here, feature. Same thing. It's nothing else. Pizza of the day, right? Pizza of the day, for Alfredo, and whatever you want to write here. And for that, CSS is here. Is CSS. And then you guys might think, what is this? This is an image. So import feature image, feature pic, whatever you can write. You can write xyz from, where to import it from, right? Data source slash image source slash, no, sorry. Okay, go to React restaurant. Okay, I'll tell you. React restaurant source. Inside the source we have image. Inside the image we have this. So for this feature pic, you can write whatever you want. This is not a default case, right? I can write xyz and then use this xyz here. It's the same thing, right? Is it? There's no difference. Same thing. And CSS, you all know you can change it, right? It's easy. Also, we finished this. So what we are left with sidebar. We finished products. There are two products, the first one and second one. Navbar is the top. Navbar is inside the hero, and hero is inside the app.js, and every component are inside the app.js, but I'm saying that sidebar is inside the hero, and the hero is inside app.js, and feature is the middle image, and we have to keep everything inside the app.js. If you want to put feature inside footer, then put the footer inside app.js, or put footer and feature separately inside app.js, right? But manage it. How you manage it is the most important thing. So we have 819, right? And then what else? So, and one more thing, guys. App.js is the JavaScript root file, right? Packagization. Let's talk about packagization. So over here we can see all the dependencies, right? So we had to download style component, so it shows the dependency. So we are dependent on this, right? We use React scripts to run the React application. So it shows our dependency on it and what kind of version are we using. React Router DOM. So this is how the pages are rendered in systematic order. Okay, React icon, the icon which we are using from the React library, right? So these are scripts. These scripts are used to run the application, right? And we have a lot of things you guys don't need to, you know about this, but app.js is where we put all the components, and index.html is the only single HTML file you will find in React application, right? So that's why React is called single paged application. So single paged application, guys, this is the most important word. We can, if we talk about this tomorrow in the lecture, I mean in the presentation, and that's a plus point. Single paged application, because we do a lot of things, but we never change the index, the root render file of the React.js.